Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up Dell Mobile Connect on Dell supported PC and Android phone. So to do so, open Microsoft Store. So click on this Microsoft Store icon, or you can simply write Store in Windows search box and click on Microsoft Store. Now on the top right you will see the search option. Click on search and then type in Dell Mobile Connect. And here you can see Dell Mobile Connect app, so click on it. Now before you install Dell Mobile Connect, let me show you the system requirement. It needs Windows 10, and here you can see Dell XPS, Inspiron, G series and Vostro PCs with Bluetooth purchased in January 2018 or later. So any Dell computer with Bluetooth which is purchased after January or after January 2018 supports Dell Mobile Connect. So if you have purchased Dell computer with Bluetooth before January 2018, then that system may not be compatible. So here you can see the install option is grayed out in my case. I don't know why, but you can click on these three dots in case this is grayed out. It should not be grayed out in your case, but in my case it's grayed out. So click on this three dots over here and then click on install on my devices. And then select your computer, put a check over here, then click on install now, then click on OK, and it will start downloading Dell Mobile Connect now. Now once the download is complete, once the installation is complete, it will give you a launch option. So click on launch. Now click on get started. Put a check on by using app, and I agree to the terms and privacy. So put a check over here. Then click on get started. Then if you're using Android, select Android. If you're using iPhone, select iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to show you with Android. So select Android, then click on next. Then you have to enter the phone encryption code, which you will get it from your phone. And here is the barcode. You can use this bar to scan and install Dell Mobile Connect on your phone. Or you can simply go to Play Store and you can type in Dell Mobile Connect and you can install it from Play Store. So let me show you. Now go to Play Store on your phone. So find Play Store, open Play Store, and in the Google Play Store search you can go ahead and type in Dell Mobile Connect. Select Dell Mobile Connect and then click on install. Now after the install, click on open, and here you can see Dell Mobile Connect opening up on your screen. Then click on let's start. So here you can see it's telling us send and receive SMS messages. So click on next, then click on allow, and make and take calls. Yes, we want to make calls, so click on next, then click on allow. Transfer files from your phone to PC. So with the help of Dell Mobile Connect, you can also transfer files from your phone to PC. So click on next, then click on allow, and click on next again, and then click on allow, and again click on next. And yes, we want to get notification, so click on next, then select Dell Mobile Connect over here, and then click on allow. And here you can see this is the code for your PC's Dell Mobile Connect app. So you have to enter this code on your Dell Mobile Connect app on your computer, on your Dell computer. So please make a note of it and enter this code on your Dell Mobile Connect app on your PC. Now here enter the code which you received on your phone. So I'm entering the code. Then click on next. Now Dell Mobile Connect requires an active Bluetooth connection. Please allow us to turn on Bluetooth. Click on yes. So it will automatically go ahead and connect to your desk, to your phone, and then click on finish. And here you can see the notification in this area, and if you expand this, so here you will see the notification, and here you can see the phone option. From here you can go ahead and find your contact. Now before we go ahead and access this feature, it's telling me to install a Dell Mobile Connect driver. So click on install. So if you see this notification, you have to install the driver, because without this it will not work. So click on install driver, and it will open a browser, and it should give us some. So here you can see the exe file is downloading. So the driver is downloading right now. So click on it and run the exe file. Click on yes to allow. Then click on install. So this is a Dell Mobile Connect driver. Click on install. So it has been installed successfully. So close this. Then again go back to Dell Mobile Connect app. So here you can click on phone, and here you can see the list of your contact. And if you want to dial a new number, then click on dialer over here on the top. Here you can see the dialer. So click on dialer, and you can dial any number, whatever you want to, whoever you want to make call, just dial it. And from here you can click on this call icon, and you can just call that person. And go to messages. Here you can see all your messages over here. You can also send a new message. When you click on new message, you'll be able to select your contact, and then you can send a new message. And here you can see all the files. Here you can see the pictures, photos, videos, music, documents. So whatever you have, you can go ahead and see it from there. And you can also do a screen mirroring. So to do a mirroring, you simply have to click on mirroring. And you will receive a notification on your phone that it's telling you that Dell Mobile Connect will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen. So you have to click on allow on your phone, and it will go ahead and mirror your screen. So here you can see it's mirroring now. So I can go ahead and see my phone screen on my Dell computer. So through this feature you can go ahead and do a screen mirroring. And so here you can use the phone, messages, files. You can transfer the file from your phone to computer, and here you can do a mirroring. So this is how you can go ahead and use Dell Mobile Connect on your phone and on your computer, on your Dell computer. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.